Hey friends, today we're going to be doing installation of the Schlage security set. So this is a deadbolt with a regular handle. Let's go ahead and open this up here, shall we? There's a little tab here in the back. Slide that out. Okay, the box goes away. And this should be what you have in there. Right about there we go. Okay, so this includes your deadbolt portion, screws, nice long ones, and instructions, keys, and the door handle assembly. So this has a limited lifetime warranty. I'm pretty excited to get this installed. I kind of got the brownish one, or the bronzish brown, to match the door color and whatnot. So let's see what's in this container here, if we can. Doesn't look like it wants to be opened. Possibly it's sealed. Yeah. Okay, fortunately we have some scissors with us. I like that this isn't all this stuff. When it's all sealed up with this, it's kind of tricky to get into. So in here we have our instructions, and looks like face plates and whatnot, and then some decent sized screws. So there we go. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the Schlage door handle and deadbolt, and I'm gonna make a video of installing this.